Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here. Got this Master Lock M50 9 out of 10 security. Let's try it against some Jimy longs. Moki tensioner. I'm gonna just try to zip it to start. Ha! Oh, there we go. First attempt. Open. Alright, so zipping works. Alright, let's try the triple peak. They work better than the key. Alright, let's try the wider triple peak rake from Jimy Long. Alright, well, there we go. This thing. Not much that you can't use to get into this bad boy, ladies and gentlemen. 9 out of 10.